Good day everyone. Now I'm gonna report the switch security configuration. Here we can see the VLAN table. Then the objectives. Part 1, create a secure trunk. Part 2, secure unused switch ports. Part 3, implement port security. Part 4, enable DHCP snooping. Part 5, configure rapid PBST, Fort Fast, and BPDU guard. So we can see the background. You are enhancing security on two access switches in a partially configured network. You will implement the range of security measures that we are covered in this module according to the requirements below. Note that routing has been configured on this network, so connectivity between hosts on different VLANs should function when completed. Now we will do that one by one. Instructions. Step 1. Create a secure trunk. A. Connect the G0/2 ports of the two access layer switches. We will do that. We go to connections, then choose the copper crossover. Then go to switch 1, click, then Gigabit Ethernet 0/2. Then sa switch 2, Gigabit Ethernet 0/2. Then B. Configure ports G0/1 and G0/2 as static trunks on both switches. So we can see here that G0/1 it is connected to multi-layer switch. Then ang G0/2 na-connect dyan sa both switches. Then ato na dyan i-connect ang two ports as static trunks on both switches. So first we can do is we go to switch 1, then enter N or enable CompT, then interface range G0/1-2. Enter, then switch port mode trunk. Enter. Then enter. Exit. Then go to switch 2. Morga po ng atong buhaton. And CompT, then interface range G0/1-2 enter, then switch port mode trunk. Enter. Then exit. Then we will go back to switch 1. Then we will end. Enter. Then we will show interface trunk. As we can see, here's the Giga 0/1 and Giga 0/2 trunking sa native. Then we can see the Fast Ethernet 0/2 trunking po siya. So ato po ta sa switch 2. Enter. Then we go to end. Then show interface trunk. Then enter. So we can see here the Gigabit 0/1 and Gigabit 0/2 trunking na siya. So exit. Then C is disable DTP negotiation on both sides of the link. So we go to switch 1, enter, then go to comp T, then interface range G 0/1-2, then enter, then switch port, no negotiate, then enter, then exit, then go to switch to Mulgapon, configure terminal, then interface range G 0/1-2, then switch port, no negotiate, negotiate, no negotiate, then enter. Then exit. Then go to D. Create VLAN 100 and give it the name native on both switches. So atong buhaton na, we go to switch 1. We will end, enter, then compt we will VLAN 100. Then we will name native. Then we go to the switch 2. We will end compt VLAN 100. Murag hapon ato gyud ang pangalan og name native. Then enter. So ang is configure all trunk ports on both switches to use VLAN 100 as the native VLAN. So itong buhaton na matuta sa switch 1. Then we will exit. Then we'll type interface range G 0/1-2, then enter, then wait. compt then interface range G 0/1-2 /2, then switch port trunk native VLAN 100, then enter. Then ato ta sa switch 2. To exit, then interface range J0 slash 1 dash 2 dash 2, then switch port trunk native VLAN 100, then enter. Manata sa step 1. Ito sa step 2. Now we go to step 2. Secure unused switch ports. A. Shut down all unused switch ports on switch 1. So we're going to shut down all the ports that connect to switch 1. So kani sila. Atong tanawon sa VLAN table ang mga ports nga nakakonect sa switch 1. Ang F0/1, F0/2, F0/10, F0/24, G0/1, G0/2 mo na sila tanan ang nakakonect sa switch 1. So we're going to shut down all these ports except these ports. Ang G0/1 o G0/2 di na to ni i-shut down. Ang kanila mga fast Ethernet. So we can do that. We're going to switch 1, then table prompt C, then interface access interface range dai range fast ethernet 0/3 kay ang pass ethernet 0/1 o pass ethernet/2 kay na use naman. So ang mga na-unuse ni ang atong mga na-unuse nga ports ato ibutan diri. So 3 kutob 9 kay ang 10 na use na pod. So comma, then if a 0/11 to 23 kay ang 24 use na pod. So we're going to enter and we're going to shut down. Then B. On switch 1, create a VLAN 999 and name it black hole. The configure name must match the requirement exactly. So we can do that. We go to switch 1. Then we're going to exit. Then VLAN 999. So we are going to name it black hole. So muna B. So enter. Then ang C. Move all unused switch ports to the black hole VLAN. So atong i-move ang mga unused switch ports sa black hole VLAN. So going to switch 1, then type exit, then we're going to use the up arrow keyboard. So atong pangitaon ang mga previous command nga nagamit. So mao ni siya. Mao ni siya. Ang fast ethernet 0/3 to 9, then fast ethernet 0/11 to 23. So atong enter, then switch port access VLAN 999. So we're going to enter, then we're going to end. So we're going to show VLAN brief. So here we can see all those unused ports. Mo siya sa VLAN 999, then black hole. So mo ni siya ang step 2. So we're going to step 3. Now we go to step 3. Implement port security. A. Active port security on all the active access ports on switch 1. So, atong i-activate ang mga ports na na-access sa switch 1. So, atong tanaw na nga atong VLAN table ang mga ports nga nakakuan sa switch 1. So, ang F0/1, F0/2, F0/10, F0/24. So, mo na yung mga ports. So, we can do that. We go to switch 1. Then, enable CompT. Then, interface range FA0/1-2, FA0/10, comma, and also FA0/24. So, enter. Then, itong switch port security. Then, enter. So, ang atong B is configure the active ports to allow a maximum of 4 MAC addresses to be learned on the ports. So, we will do that. Switch port security, then maximum of 4. So, mo na dya ang B. Enter. Then, ang atong i-close. So, ato ta sa C. For ports F0/1 on switch 1, statically configure the MAC address of the PC using port security. So, atong pangitaon ang F0/1 dire. So, mo ni ang F0/1 ang PC1. So, atong pangitaon ang MAC address ni dya. So, sa command prompt, then IP config/all. So, enter. Then, atong makita diri ang physical address. So, mo ni ang physical address. Then, atong i-copy na. Then, ato ta sa switch 1. Then, interface FA0/1 only. So, switch port security, MAC address. So, atong i-copy ang kadtong kuan, question mark. Then, so here is a 24-bit MAC address. Atong i-paste dire katong atong i-copy nga isang physical address. So, mao ni. Then, enter. Mo to ang C. Now, D. Configure each active access port so that it will automatically add the MAC addresses learned on the port to the running configuration. So, we will do that. We go to switch 1. We go, then CompT. So, i-type ang interface range FA0/1 dash 2, comma, FA0 slash 10, comma, FA0 slash 24. So enter. Then switch port security MAC address. We have to go question mark. And we can see configure dynamic secure addresses as sticky. So to go sticky there. Then so mo to ang D. So ang E, configure the fourth security violation mode to drop packets from MAC addresses that exceed the maximum generate a syslog entry but not disable the ports. That means we have to use the violation as restrict. So we can do the switch port security violation restrict. So enter. Then mo to ang step 3. So lastly, we are in step 4. Configure port pass and BPDU guard. A. Enable port pass on all the access ports that are in use on switch 1. So we're going to enable the all access ports that are in use in switch 1 kani. So atong buhaton na arita sa switch 1. Then enable CompT. Then interface range FA0/1-2, FA0/10, FA0/24. So enter. Then spanning tree port pass. Then enter. Muna ang A. So ato ta sa B. Enable BPDU guard on all the access ports that are in use on switch 1. So ang B is ato ray sumpay gapon dire. Spanning tree BPDU guard. Then enable. Then enter. So lastly, configure switch 2 so that all access port will use port pass by default. So ang C is adto ta sa switch 2. Then enable CompT. Then type is spanning tree port pass default. Spanning tree port pass default. So enter. Okay, that's all. We're done with switch security configuration. As you can see, the completion 100%. Then we are going to check the results. Then congratulations on completing this activity. So that's all. Thank you for listening. I'm out.